In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your site from Squarespace and save it as a WordPress file. This can be really useful if you're considering migrating your site or just want to have a backup of your content in a format that's versatile and widely used. So, let's dive in and break down exactly how to do this. Firstly, you'll want to start by logging into your Squarespace account. If you haven't done this before or need a reminder, just head over to Squarespace's website and enter your login details. Once you're in, you'll find yourself looking at the main dashboard of your site. This is where you can access all your design and content options. Next, look for the Settings menu. It's usually located on the left side of your dashboard, easily accessible at any time. Once you're in the settings, scroll down and find the option that says Advanced. This section includes a variety of technical tools and features made for users who want more control over their site functionalities. Now that you're in the Advanced section, keep an eye out for the Import-Export option. This is the key area where you can manage how you bring data in or send it out from your site. You'll want to focus on exporting today, so go ahead and select Export. Upon clicking Export, you'll be prompted to choose a format. For our purposes, select the WordPress icon. This option will initiate the process of converting your Squarespace content into a WordPress-compatible format, specifically a file with an .xml extension, which is commonly used in website migrations. After you have selected the WordPress option, the export process will begin. Depending on the amount of content on your site, this might take a few moments. It's a good idea to ensure your internet connection is steady during this time to prevent any interruptions or errors. Once the process is complete, you should see an option to download your file. Clicking Download will allow you to save the XML file directly onto your computer. It's generally saved in your default download location, but you can choose to save it elsewhere to keep it organized with your other website files. By following these steps, you have successfully exported your Squarespace content as a WordPress file. This gives you flexibility and freedom for future site development, whether you're migrating to a new platform or simply maintaining a backup. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy exporting.